Gizmo is taking a little siesta. He's all cuddled up. Easy, easy. Okay, see, you are so cute. Look at this little fur. Easy, wishy. Yeah, her fur is kind of like a dog's fur. She's sleepy. Look at you. Look at you sleeping. And I meant to wake you up, but you were so adorable sleeping. Look at you got like a poodle hair. Look at this. Where did you get this poodle hair? You got a little poodle hair. Oops. Little tie-tie. Oh, Casey. He's so cute. He's cute, Casey. She can't take a bath. She's gonna sleeping on me every day. Take a bath. She's got really long whiskies. And her hair is black, but there's some spots of white hair for some reason. And she's only like maybe 4 or 5 months old. Might take her to the groomer because she has a lot of her paws really hairy, so it'll probably help her in a litter box. Take it, shave her paw a little bit. You're a Philly. You want one Philly? Philly. You're very Philly.
I can't fix the listing.
Look at you taking a bath. You take a little kitty cat bath. You little kitty. That's what you're doing. You're taking a kitty bath. Look at you. You take a little kitty bath. I see you. Look at you. You take the little kitty bath. Who is that? Yep. A baby? It's Gizzy. It's Gizzy. It's Gizzy time.
I'm gonna get you a groom on Tuesday. It's your paw day. It's your spa day Tuesday.
We're gonna take you to the spa, and then you're gonna get some rocks on your paw, and we're gonna give you a margarita, and then you're gonna go to the beach.
You're gonna be all fancy. Maybe they'll give you a little bow.
He's so hairy. You want one hairy petunia. Yeah, the long hairs, they get a lot of stuff stuck in their fur. It just feels like the bed has some foam on it, and it gets like, I guess when your claws get on the foam, it gets stuck into her hair. Yes, yes. Okay, see, you're taking a bath. See, you're taking a bath. Let's turn it to home. I see you. You sure are furry. Look at those little toes. I see your toes. I see them. And I think black cats are very affectionate. She's by me like all the time. You say goodbye to all your. Well, we got a lot of Gizmo. We got a lot of piano fans, but a lot of people don't know about Gizmo. Okay, Casey. You gonna say bye to everybody? Okay. Alright. Have a good weekend. I'll see you on another video.